Good morning. Look at page 4 of your reading packet, An After School Job. Now, listen and write the missing word. Number 1, he is 17 years old. The missing word is. You write is. Okay? Number 2, he goes to school. Number 3, he has a job after school. Number 4, he works at a supermarket. Number 5, he works from 3 to 7. Number 6, he has a name tag and an apron. Number 7, he likes his job. Number 8, he likes to have money. Number 9, he wants to buy a car. Write the words you hear, then take a picture and send it to me. See you tonight.